Yeah, I am using computer audio recording. Yeah, it is being recorded. Admit. Three people entered the meeting room. View. Yeah, some three people have come. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Vivo 1610, Ocean, Pavan, Galaxy, Pallavi, Arpita, everybody. Yeah, admit, 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 admit. Yeah, hello. I am just admitting all the people. Arpita, 1VB, Hemnath, Vignesh, Raju, another person. Then Realme 2 Pro. In the meeting, there are 12. Vasanta. Vasant has come. From Charu Didiche, sir, your voice is not coming. Voice is not coming. Wait, wait. Um, Mute. No, there is no mute. It will come properly, na? Hello. It will come. Are, oh, I think it is in mute. Mine is also in mute. Unmute. I have unmuted it now. It must be audible now. Good morning, Arpita. Is the voice audible? Hello? Is the voice audible? Voice
Yes,
okay?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir.
Oh, very good, very good. Thank you.
Thank you. Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you so much. Very good. Now, what is the view I should have? I should have speaker view or a gallery view. I will have gallery view so that I will know who are all the people who have come. Should I allow some more people? Toshima, Toshima Goyal. Everybody, please, as it is, you mute it. When I tell you the name of a person, that person can unmute that and talk to me. Okay, first I will tell you general points that, or you are, I don't think there is need for general points also. We will start answering questions one after the other. For example, if say, for example, who would like to ask question? If anybody would like to ask question, Nilesh, okay, Nilesh, Nilesh, you unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nilesh, you unmute yourself. Do you
Yes,
get any questions in your mind? Please ask.
sir. Right now, no question in my mind, sir. I will ask
Acha,
later, sir.
very good. So is it okay that I start telling generally some points first?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, all of you listen carefully. Karnataka Bank interview letter has come to you. It came about 9 months back also. It is revived. Very fine. Now, what you should do is the interview questions, as you know, as you might have seen in many of my say mock interviews, is that the questions will be based on say personality, your personality related questions. What type of a person are you? Why do you want to join Karnataka Bank? Why you like banking? What do you expect from banking? This sort of general questions they can ask you. Apart from that, what are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? All these things I have provided in a link, in materials given through a link put in onedrive.com. All of you must have received it. Those people who have not received it, if you don't have it, I suggest you become member. You become member of Telegram group 72020. Telegram group 72020. For joining that for newcomers, first you have to download the Telegram app. Thereafter, you must make a search for 72020. You will become a member of my group. You will get lot of ideas posted therein. In that, again today I will post the link of the materials and also say the YouTube links. Number one, questions will be based on your personality, your native place. Native place means what is the place to which you belong and what are the important things happening in your place, who are the important people in your place. Yeah, your behavioral questions also will be asked. Kartika has come, Hemant has come. Yeah, so this type of
Sir,
personal
very
related
sorry
question.
to interrupt, sir.
Yeah, please ask.
Sir, it will be useful if you provide us permission to record this meeting, sir.
Please
If I
record.
try recording it, I am getting a notification
Where should
stating
I?
host has to provide permission to record.
No, no necessity, because I am recording it. I'll be posting it in YouTube. Hello?
Fine, sir, then fine.
I am going to post it in
Fine,
YouTube.
sir, okay.
YouTube for those people who are not present today. Okay. I don't mind permitting you.
Okay, sir, okay.
How to permit that, you have any idea?
No, sir, I don't have any idea on
I
that.
think you should ask permission, then I have to permit. You ask the permission. If you ask, I may permit. No problem. I have no problem. Is it okay?
No issue, sir. Anyhow, you will be
I am recording it.
uploading it in YouTube, as you said. We will.
Very good, very good. So first will
Okay,
be
sir, thank you.
First will be personality related questions, and there is no, and I have provided one paper wherein 50 most common interview questions are given. Anybody has not seen it, please tell me. You can unmute and tell me, sir, I have not been able to see this. All of you must have seen it. Very good. You see, the first idea with which I wanted to convene this meeting is that to tell you what are all the things that are there in your, that links I have provided. Has anybody gone through that link, please? Anybody wants clarification of what are the things you can learn by going through that particular link? I am now going into that link. I am clicking that link. This is a brief introduction. I will tell you what you can see. Once you go into the link, first you will have BSc Match Point and Mica Magazine interview important topics. Anybody not aware of it, please click your unmute and tell me. All of you are aware about this. You are having Mica July, Mica September, August, December, June, November. You may ask me, sir, why have you given this to me? What is the use of this? I suggest you go through one-liners in these magazines so that you will be updated as far as current affairs relating to banking and your area is concerned. Apart from that, in that link, you have 2019 SBI interview question, ALM Tier 1, banker and customer, then bank interview questions, then you have BSc Match Point, then certificate of deposit commercial paper, countries' capital currencies. You can ask me why I should know this, but they can ask you, what is the currency of Kuwait? What is the currency of Kuwait? Excuse me. Can anyone tell me what is the currency of Kuwait? Tell me.
Dinar, sir.
Dinar. Very good. Similarly, one more question I will ask. What is the currency of Cambodia? What is the currency of Cambodia? Anybody?
Real, sir. Real.
Very good. Very good.
Cambodian
Real. Good. Excellent. You have answered. So I just asked to check up whether that is useful. Now, next you have got financial ratios. Superb. Hello. Those who are commerce students, those who are BBA students, those who are working in banks, they must know these financial ratios. Please note down. Similarly, foreign exchange, mostly they may not ask. If they ask, it will be of use for you. Foreign exchange, NRE, NRO. And the next comes Garnishi order. What is a Garnishi order? It is an order submitted by the court of law on the bank, prohibiting the bank from parting with the funds of the depositor. So about that, details are given. Please go through that. Government sponsored schemes. Then Hindu undivided family. Who is the leader of the Hindu undivided family? Anybody unmute and tell me?
Karta, sir.
Very good. Karta. Who is the Karta normally?
head of the family.
The first
Head of
person.
the family,
Head of
sir.
the family.
The eldest
Head
of the family. Eldest of
Yes,
the
sir.
family. Good. Excellent. Next notes is about important notes about something I have given. I don't know what it is. Important notes about 1 minute. Let me go through that. बहुत बढ़िया point है. మంచి మాట ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినాము. ఏమంటే important notes about balance sheet. Important notes about balance sheet. అర్థమైందా? Yeah. Now, Ashrita, please unmute yourself. Ask to unmute. Ashrita, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ashrita,
Yes, sir.
hello. Are you hearing me? Are you able to hear me, Ashrita? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ashrita, what is a balance sheet?
Sir, balance sheet is a financial statement which a company prepares in at the every end of the year, so that to know the financial position of the company, it contains assets and liabilities.
Very good. Can you tell me the different components of liabilities?
So in liabilities, we have capital drawings, net profit, which we have derived from profit and loss account, and other miscellaneous.
No. Why are you struggling? Long-term liabilities, short-term liabilities, current liabilities. What are long-term liabilities? Ashrita, you don't know? I will ask Kartika. Kartika, please unmute yourself and tell me. Kartika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please tell, what is your degree? Please tell me that.
So I've completed MTech, sir.
MTech.
Hi, MTech.
Oh, that means this will be a very different question for you, difficult question for you. I will ask a very simple question. Why do you want to join bank?
Sir, actually, I'm working in IDBI Bank right now.
As an assistant manager.
No, I'm working as an executive in IDBI Bank.
Excellent. Now, so that means that question will not be asked to you. Can you please elaborate the nature of work you are doing in IDBI?
Yes, sir. Actually, now I am handling the cash. That's teller. I'm doing as a teller service executive.
Yeah.
So I'm handling the day-to-day cash. And actually, I was in front section first. Then I was transferred to the cash section.
Mhm.
So
What were you
that's the
doing in the
cooling.
front section?
Front, I was handling the miscellaneous and also the clearing of checks. That those duties were given to me.
Excuse me, Kartika. If you say miscellaneous, how will people understand what is miscellaneous? So you may have to tell the name of those sections. புரிஞ்சுதா?
Okay, sir.
Kartika,
Hello.
தமிழா தெலுங்குவா?
Malayalam.
Malayalam Arilla. Name Malayalam Arilla. I can talk to you only in English. So when you, instead of telling miscellaneous, we should tell the name of the sections. In interview situations, we should not use may be, can be. You must use will be. Everything definite. In interview situations, etc. should be avoided if you can avoid, and tell the points clearly. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
Very good. Shall I go to Hemant, please? Hemant, are you there? Yeah.
Yes,
so
sir.
Hemant, you are there. Very good. Just a minute. I was just telling about what we were seeing in that, say that, what is that? Important notes about balance sheet, what we are seeing there. Apart from that, so many things are given. Important provisions of RBI, list of state capitals, then MICA magazines are given. Once you clear that and you close that and come to revised Karnataka, here again you have a lot of information. Most important among them is number 1, Bankers Adda interview, then 58 important banking terms, then banking financial economy. Then these are very useful ones, and there are other interview guides also which can help you. Apart from that, there are Union Council of Ministers is there, paid Adda static GK is there. Above all, I have tried to analyze Karnataka bank figures. Please go through that. Apart from that, there are 2-3 interview digests given, and besides 2019 IDBI interview questions and State Bank interview questions, everything is given besides the abbreviations. So could you follow what I wanted to say? I really wanted to tell you what I am giving you, and that is the reason for this meeting, and I hope I have made it clear to you. Now, Hemant, Mr.
Yes,
Hemant,
sir.
Hemant, what is your degree?
Sir, I completed my MSc in physics in 2019.
2019 only, you are a young boy.
Yes, sir.
The question can be, why don't you want to go for higher education?
I don't think about it, sir. I am very much fascinated towards the banking sector.
Reason?
Sir, banking sector is one of the most important sector in the economy, and banking sector offers tremendous growth opportunities and job security.
What is your father?
My father is a retired BSNL employee, sir.
Okay. What is BSNL doing?
What is BSNL doing?
Yeah.
They are giving services of call services and internet services.
Maybe you can present it better. They provide telephone services, cell phone
Yes, sir.
services. They also provide internet facilities through cell phone and also through landlines.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, shall I go to Mr. Vasant? Vasant, can you unmute yourself?
Hello, sir.
Vasant, you are from which place?
Sir, I am from Tamil Nadu, sir.
Tamil Nadu. What is your degree?
Sir, ME in Computer Science Engineering.
Oh God. ME in Computer Science Engineering. Okay.
Engineering.
What is
And
a
I have 3 years of
broadband?
experience in.
Pardon?
Sir, I have 3 years of experience in ICICI Bank Limited, sir.
I see. Acha. So you are preventing me from going into technical area. You are coming into ICICI, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are now in ICICI. Can you tell me what is meant by senior citizen deposit scheme?
Yes, sir. Senior Citizen Deposit Scheme was introduced by Government of India. They are giving interest rate of around 7.4%.
Please
It's applicable.
repeat what the last sentence you said.
The product was introduced by
No.
Government of India.
Repeat the last sentence you said.
They're giving interest rate of 7.4%.
Now you are telling 7.4. Before you were telling around 7.4.
Yeah. Sorry, sir.
So I know as bankers we talk anyway, but then when we talk in interviews, we have to be specific, Vasant.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, continue.
It's given for senior citizens. I think it's like a deposit, sir. It's like a FD only.
Yeah. Sorry, Vasant. It is like a deposit and all, you cannot say. First of all, this information is applicable to everybody. Whenever any question is asked, if they ask an open question like this was a very open question. Question was, tell me about senior citizen deposit scheme. Then you have to describe what is senior citizen deposit scheme. Who are the people who can open senior citizen deposit scheme? What is the minimum of that scheme? What is the maximum of that scheme? And what is the rate of interest offered? What are the terms and conditions of that scheme? Could you follow this? All of you, I know you cannot speak because it is muted. Likewise, every aspect of question asked, if it is an open question, we have to elaborate and tell. But same question to Vasant. Are you open now? Yeah. Vasant, can you please tell me what is the present reverse repo rate?
Present reverse repo rate. Sorry, sir.
This is a direct question, not an open-ended question. This is a direct question where you have to give answer as 3.35%. Could you follow? I am telling you to differentiate between an open-ended question and a straight-ended question.
Yes, sir. Follow, sir.
Where we have to tell the information only. Okay, thank you, Vasant. You can mute yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Vasant, you can mute yourself. Yeah, I was telling you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I was telling you initially about personality related. Next important point I have forgotten to tell you is that you must try to know about banking awareness, whether you may be engineering or MBBS, doesn't matter. You must know banking. For that one Bankers Adda book will be sufficient. If you have something more, you can take that and read also. Apart from that, you must go through about Karnataka Bank in detail. Please go through that website, swim through the pages of the Karnataka Bank and try to get as much information as possible. I have also given you some analysis figure. You please go through that also. Apart from that, what you should go through is about your degree, about your college, about your native place. Who are the important people? What are the industries there? Some gappa they will task, some gossip they will make, and you must answer those questions. And you may be, if there are straight candidates, they will ask questions relating to your own subject. If you are through ICICI, then Canara Bank, and if it is like that, they can ask you about job role, or if you are working in TCS, they can ask you about the job role. समझ गया? So this is what it is. So these are the various, and apart from that, most important thing, you must know about current affairs. Who is the chairman of Karnataka Bank? Who is the finance minister of India? What is the, when is the budget going to be presented? Likewise, simple questions, they can be asked and you must be able to answer them. This is applicable for all. Now I will go to Shiva Kumar. Shiva Kumar, unmute. Shiva Kumar. Shiva Kumar ji. Shiva Kumar is not coming. Anybody else who is willing? From the top, it is Charu Dadich. Charu Dadich, would you like to talk? Please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Charu Dadich, you are from which place?
I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Oh, excellent. Did we talk earlier over phone? No.
No, sir. We have talked over mail.
Mail only. Good, good. What is the degree you have studied?
Sir, I have studied Masters in Business Administration from Finance, and I have also cleared Chartered Accountancy Inter examination.
Super. You have cleared Chartered Accountancy in intermediate.
Yes, sir. Intermediate.
What are the subjects you studied in intermediate?
I studied accounts, law, taxation. So these were the subjects.
Yeah. After completing intermediate, why do you want to come to Karnataka Bank? You can as well complete Chartered Accountancy. कब से complete होगा वो आप complete करने से?
Sir, I completed my intermediate examination in 2015. After that, I gave my final exams as well in 2018, but I didn't qualify them. And now my mission is to work full time.
You could not clear, so you have stopped trying. You want to join this?
Sir, I gave some attempts, and later on I realized that it's not for me. I cannot do much studies by sitting at just home and doing studies. Now I want to do job and focus on my career.
Very good. Are you married?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now, shall I ask some banking question?
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me what is CTS?
What is
CTS.
CTS?
Calcutta, Trivandrum, Singapore.
No, sir, I haven't heard about it.
CTS. You have not heard about it? Okay.
No, sir.
Doesn't matter. Now, which bank do you have an account?
State Bank of India.
Okay. Can you tell me the chairman of State Bank of India? Okay. Thank you. We will go to next person. Toshima Goyal. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Toshima
Yes,
Goyal.
sir.
You are from which place?
Yes. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I am from Ghaziabad, UP.
Ghaziabad, UP. अच्छा अच्छा. Good. UP का finance minister का नाम क्या है?
Oh, sir, I am not aware.
You don't know? Doesn't matter. What is your degree?
Sir, I have done MCom private.
MCom private का मतलब correspondence.
Yes, sir.
That is you buy books yourself and write the exams.
Yes, sir.
What were the subjects you studied in MCom in the final semester?
Sir, I studied for international trade.
International trade?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is international trade?
Sir, in international trade is mainly for liberalization, globalization is included. It's very important for our economy because in this globalized world, we need to trade. So, sir, in international trade mainly help us to export and import goods and services in foreign countries.
Which bank in India was cheated to the tune of over 13,000 crores on account of this international trade about a year or two back?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware of it.
Are you not aware of Punjab National Bank Nirav Modi
Yes,
case?
sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Nirav Modi case, doesn't matter. What is a letter of credit?
Sir, in letter of credit is mainly when we buy goods and service for credit, in which we don't pay cash, but in lateral time we will pay it.
No, this is not a correct answer. Letter of credit is a document issued by a banker or favoring the exporter, promising him to pay the money on his exporting goods to the importer as per terms and conditions of the order. It is opened by a importing bank. समझ गया?
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Um,
Excuse me, sir.
yeah. Ask me.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, if they ask me why I have done MCOM private, so what should be my answer?
Obvious reason can be number one, you could not get admission in the college, or you were not having sufficient money for studying, and you had to go for
Sir,
job.
can I say that I was prepared? Sir, can I say I was preparing for banking exams at that time? Will it be valid answer?
No, it is not a wrong answer, but the best answer could have been, I wanted to study MCOM at the same time prepare for bank exams. Not only that, I was able to take tuition classes for children, something like that. Thoda jhoot bataiye.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Very good. Thank you,
Okay.
Toshima.
Thank you, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, notice has come. We are running out of time. Now, these are the general information I would like to share with you. How to use the links provided by me, and also at random watch the 126 videos. Everything, if you see, it will be boring. Watch the first video and latest video where I am telling you about the same thing as I am doing now, the guidance for preparation, and also the video of somebody who has studied your own subject. That will be really helpful for you. Apart from that, after you are preparing completely about that, and when you want to test yourself for a full mock interview, your real interview will be only 5 to 10 minutes. But in mock interview, I normally take it for minimum 20, sometimes 30 minutes. Depends, if you answer very well, it may go beyond that also, wherein I will try to put in different questions. You are aware of the fact I have told you the Google number, the Google Pay number to which you have to pay, and write to my email ID so that we can fix a time and then conduct a mock interview also. This is what I would like to tell you. Now the session is open at any time, it may stop. So you can ask any questions to an extent possible, I will answer. Yeah.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. This is Vicky.
Yeah, who is asking? Hello, please tell your name and tell. Excuse me, Pallavi, are you there? Huh? Excuse me. Anybody?
Sir, are you able to?
I am able to hear
Hello.
you. Yeah.
Sir, this is Vignesh. I have done my MSc in software systems, and I have experience with Amazon for 5 years. And if initially you asked a question that why do we select banking sector, I actually feel IT job as more monotonous, and in banking we have a chance to meet people, which would be exciting. Will it be a fine answer to give them, or should I think for any?
That seems to be okay, but you will be cross-cut by them by telling you will be drawing a higher salary now. Why do you have to come here?
Sir, that is what, in case of salary, I think both would be on the same range. But why I do prefer to join banking sector is in IT, we feel the work is very monotonous, and we are sitting with the same laptop and chairs for hours together doing nothing beneficial. But when it comes to banking,
Vignesh,
sir.
Vignesh, even in banks, you are going to sit before computer. It is going to be monotonous. That means you don't like doing more work. They can cross
Sir,
you like this. They can cross you like this. Normally, they may not. Could you
what
follow
is?
Vignesh? Vignesh,
Yes, sir.
could you follow when they can cross it like you? So, but don't worry. You be. Let me tell you these points. Information about yourself, choice, and all that. Whatever you say is final, and be confident about the answers you are giving. You must be satisfying yourself about the answer you are giving. That's all. You don't have to satisfy others. Acha, Charu is showing hand. What is the question, please, Charu?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a question that what will be the procedure of Karnataka Bank interview? Like, will there be a group discussion or an aptitude test or direct personal interview will be there?
No group discussion. Only 5 to 10 minutes. Four or five people sitting and ask you questions.
It is because they have said you have to be in the venue for 4 hours minimum. So
Yeah, you may have to be in the venue for more than 8 hours also, because they will be checking the documents, and after the documents are checked, then you will be asked to sit in lines, and interview will start in 12 o'clock. Subaka candidates, they will get over by 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Sham Koko candidates will get 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. And sometimes when they are going to use internet also, there are possibilities for extending beyond that time also. So happened in Indian Bank Specialist Officer. The interview was scheduled to be conducted at 9 o'clock, concluded at 6:30 in the evening because
Okay,
of
sir. So
technical problems.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay, sir. So you
Mr.
mean there will only personal interview direct. Okay. After
Yeah, only
verification of
direct
documents.
interview.
Yeah. Okay,
Direct
sir. Thank
interview.
you. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello,
Question?
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I am Arpita.
Yes, please.
Hello, sir.
Arpita, tell me.
Sir, Arpita, I completed my MTech in computer science. In 2018, I completed. This is the third time I am appearing for Karnataka Bank interview. In 2019, I went for Karnataka Bank PO interview. In 19, I went for Karnataka Bank clerk interview.
Can you tell
This
us
is
what were the
third-
questions they asked you?
Sir, sir, the interview if they ask why
No problem. No, I think you have, no, don't worry. If you have mentioned that in the application, they can even ask you why were you not selected last time. To tell them that the written test marks would have been less. Don't take credit in interview. समझ गया? Arpita,
yes, sir.
you
Yes,
tell
sir.
them the written test was not good. So as a result, my marks were less possibly. So I was not selected.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah, only 1 minute time is there. I really enjoyed my time with you, boys and girls. I look forward to meeting you personally in case you want some more guidance. And whenever you have any doubts, you can always send email. Emails will be responded within 1 or 2 days. But and kindly become a member of Telegram group 72020, because most of the postings there, when it is related to Karnataka Bank, will be useful for you. Recently also, there was one more link we got, banking_fun_stuff, FUNSTA. So that contains a lot of information that will be useful for you to know about banking. So less than 1 minute. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much, boys and girls. Then, if you want, we can meet next week again at some time like this so that we can review our progress also. In the meantime, some of you would like to have mock interview. Feel free to write to me after remitting the money into that Google Pay account.